Hello, everyone. One of the things that I'm fond of saying about ChatGPT, GPT-4, generative AI is that while the horizontals are interesting, the real use cases are in the verticals. Now, what do I mean by verticals? By verticals, I mean, the products which are being created on top of these massive large language models like GPT, because their APIs are open, and these products are specifically niche products for different use cases and different industries. Now, since ChatGPT launched a few months back, and then GPT a little earlier than that, literally hundreds of startups have been funded by companies like A16Z, Sequoia, other big venture capital firms who start creating amazing new products on this transformational technology. What I'll do today is to just give you a sample of some of those. So that it kind of intrigues you to go and try and look for more and try and see what fits for your industry. Elicit, elicit.org, for example, is one. It's for academics. So since I'm doing my master's in AI and ethics at Cambridge University, and if I have a research question, I can go to Google Scholar and it will give me papers, but I can go to Elicit, write down that research question and get all kinds of information, papers, abstracts, specifically for that research question. Very useful. Then there are these ones like typical.me, personal, character.ai. In fact, Character has been is the startup which has been funded by A16Z. Now these create AI avatars either of yourself or of any historical or present or fictional character. So you can have an AI persona of Mahatma Gandhi or Elon Musk and have a conversation with them, and that avatar will speak in Gandhian or Muskian manner. Similarly, you can create an AI avatar of yourself, give it your personality, and put it out in the wild for people to talk to you. The third kinds are these summarizers, great summarizers, much better than the earlier summarizers which were there. So Paraphrase or TLDR this or Quillbot or even Notion AI will actually create great summaries of academic papers, long articles, essays, whatever text you fill in. One of my favorites, actually, something called Detangle, which actually translates legal text into normal English. Other kind are these which are ones like copy.ai or Jasper or Cohere and a few others which generate ad copy or marketing content or generate ideas and content to help you find trends and patterns in large bodies of text. There's something called Power Present which helps you create or generate great presentations. Runway actually has a next generation content creation suite of all of these products. A very useful one, and a set of them actually are in software creation, something called GitHub Copilot, for example. One of the most useful products helps developers write code. Sometimes a quarter to a half of the code that a developer would write can actually GitHub Copilot can write. Then there are obviously the text to media generators, DALL-E 2, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, having there for a time convert text prompts to fabulously surreal and images. Synthesia creates video from plain text. Google and Meta have products like that also. Google and OpenAI are beta testing Music LM and Jukebox, which will convert text to music. There are many others. ChatSonic, UChat are like ChatGPT on steroids. A lot of students are using them actually. Obviously, there's also ChatGPT Plus now, which is just seems to be just came 3 months after ChatGPT, but seems to be light years ahead of ChatGPT. Altered allows you to alter your voice to sound like someone you want it to be. Tome, I created a presentation of myself on Tome. It's a storytelling product. It creates narratives and plot lines from good prompts. There's something called Do Not Pay, which is a robot lawyer. Do Not Pay, lovely name. Poised is a robot coach. Just a few of them, and every day I wake up to a few more which have been created. I think we're living in super exciting times. These verticals are the ones which are going to be really useful, and many which will be created, and some of them will be specific to your business. And so look out for them. And actually, if you find something interesting, I'd be very, very grateful if you could let me know. So as comments to this video, if you found some great such product built on this amazing new technology, let me know, and maybe I'll find something super useful. Thank you very much, and hope you found this podcast to be interesting.